Let's go, everyone. Today we'll be unboxing the Black+Decker toaster. So I don't have a toaster right now, but my sister hooked it up. She sent this to me, and apparently there's a lot of options, and she did her research, and this Black+Decker toaster came up as the best option. So let's check this out. Dope. Interesting. What the? Oh man. Okay, gotta figure this out before I use it. I've never had a new toaster before. Dope. Sorry. Oh. Dope. Awesome. Thank you, sister. First brand new toaster I've ever unboxed in my life. So grown up. Thanks, everyone. See you next time.